Our club's Battlebots program allows anyone to build a Battlebot from scratch with basically no experience at all.
Each member makes their own plastic ant robot, which is a robot that's 1 pound. With making your Battlebot, you're actually learning fabrication skills, which a lot of internships for mechanical engineers request. They want a lot of like rapid prototyping skills, so like knowing how to use a 3D printer, knowing how to use 3D software to make your designs. It's really important to know like all the electronical components and each of their purpose, as well as wiring. So you're able to get that experience and have that on your resume and be able to essentially make real life engineering in a way that's not just completely practical, but in a way that's also like fun.
It really does help integrate like Rice University and Rice students with the broader Houston community and the broader Houston and Texas Battlebots community as well. At this competition, we have Rice students, we have UH students, we have hobbyists and high schoolers. Teams can learn like how each other's Battlebots work.
Because you have a sense of community, you're really able to get assistance when it comes to feedback for your design, supplies, or even the arena. So right now we're going to be loaning our arena to some other universities. Having that entire community is able to make it so everyone has more opportunities to really learn and grow from each other.
It's fun to see all these concepts that, like you can learn in the classroom, actually see applied, and, you can be like, oh, I learned about like torque and, like energy. And look, I can see all that energy like dissipated as like the other bots are being torn apart. So it's like a really good way to get people excited about engineering, excited about building, and, learn a lot in a very fun way.